How to install and use the Blender add-on. Install the free add-on. Open Blender and head to Edit, then Preferences, and select Add-ons. Click on Install and choose the free add-on file. In the 3D view, find and click the Generate Free Bars button. Take a look at the bars that appear in the animation that's ready to render. If you want to start over, just delete the bars. Upgrade to the Pro add-on. First, remove the free add-on from Blender's Preferences. Then, install the Pro add-on file using the same method as the free version. The Pro version gives you additional customization options. Using the Pro add-on, initially, you can generate bars with default values. To use your own data, download the CSV template and open it in Excel or a similar program. Fill in your data. The first column is for the order of the data, which is required. The second column is for the size of the bar in meters, also required. The third column is for image file names, which is optional. The fourth column is for the country name in 2 words, optional. Columns 5 to 8 are for titles like company name and revenue, which are optional. Remember, if you're not using a column, leave it empty. Uploading data to Blender. Find the CSV file you saved. Locate the directory where your images are stored. In Blender, click the Generate button to see your data come to life in the scene. Additional configuration options. You can customize the background with images, floor textures, and lighting. Choose whether to normalize the data for consistent bar scaling. Animate the camera for dynamic visualizations. Select or specify materials to change the look of the bars. Adjust the font type, size, and color for any titles.